All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at vertical angles. Adjacent angles are angles that are side by side. Overlapping angles means that one angle is within another. And then vertical angles look something like this. So if I wanted to label an angle that is adjacent to ABE, that would be like angle CBE. Overlapping angle to ABE would be DBE. Okay. And then let's look at some other things. So vertical angles and stuff like that, we're looking typically at setting like angle measurements equal to each other. You know, so here these are your vertical angles here. Wait. No. That's not your vertical angle. Your vertical angle, I'm sorry, I apologize, is here. So these two here are vertical angles. Supplementary angles and complementary angles. Supplementary adds up to 180. So these two angles are supplementary, and then complementary is 90 degrees. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to want you guys to do some questions regarding complementary, vertical angles, adjacent angles, so on and so forth. So let's look at let's look at 1 through 3, and we'll look at 7, and we can look at 12. Okay. So 1 through 3, 7, and 12. So go ahead and pause the video, try those on your own, and then come back and check your answers. Okay, so we're back. These are true and false statements. So angle 4 and angle 5 are complementary angles. That is false. They are supplementary angles. 1 and 4 are vertical angles. That is true. 2 and 5 are adjacent angles. That is false. They have to be side by side. Okay. Some algebra here. Let's do question 7. So we're looking at bisecting angles. So that means that each angle is equal to each other. So 7x minus 7 is equal to 5x plus 3. Subtract both sides by 5x. So I get 2x minus 7 is equal to 3. Add 7 to both sides, so 2x is equal to 10. Divide both sides by 2, and x is 5. So x is 5. That means that 7 times 5 minus 7 is equal to 35 minus 7. Which is 28. So this is 28. YXZ is 28. I did WYX, but because they're bisecting angles, it doesn't make any difference which one you do. And then WXZ is the entire thing, so that's double this, so that is 56. Okay. Here, down here, vertical angles, so 3x plus 8 is equal to 2x plus 48. Subtract 2x from both sides. So I get 8x plus 8 is equal to 48. Subtract 8 from both sides, and x is equal to 40. So then ABC is 40 here, so that's a 128. And then that also means, because they're vertical angles, that EBF is also 128. Okay, and that is it for this lesson.